let's talk about the live developments that are taking place in Karnataka. DK Shiv Kumar, as of now, is meeting the governor at the Lok Bhavan. So he's meeting the governor now, and next a Congress delegation is also expected to meet. This is being said that this is a courtesy call that DK Shiv Kumar is now extending as far as just before his possible swearing-in ceremony, and this is going to be decided as far as today's CLP or the Congress Legislative Party meeting is concerned. We're looking at these developments as far as the cavalcade of DK Shiv Kumar arriving at Lok Bhavan, and there you can see him. He's also been talking about and speaking to Times Now on this development where other Congress party leaders and delegates that are also expected to call upon the governor. This is a courtesy visit that has now been said. And the CLP, which is the Congress Legislative Party meeting, that will be happening later in the day around 4 p.m.
The heartiest congratulations.
Just, I want to meet. I'll let you know.
And the discussions on the cabinet have been.
So what are we?
The heartiest congratulations.
Just, I want to meet. I'll let you know.
And the discussions on the cabinet have been.
So what are we?
So let's connect with Somit, who's joining us live outside the Lok Bhavan. Is the meeting still continuing? Somit, and can we call it as a courtesy call that DK Shiv Kumar is now extending a meeting with the governor and thereafter followed by a Congress delegation?
It's courtesy and, a key meeting we can say, because just now Dwarkanath's son has also arrived at the governor's office. So right now you can clearly see here the meeting is still on, and, it is expected that DK will be leaving shortly from here. So DK's guru, Dwarkanath's son, has just now arrived at the governor's office, and likely he'll also be meeting the governor along with DK Shiv Kumar. He'll also be taking part in that meeting is what we are given to understand. But DK Shiv Kumar, along with his team, he has arrived here a while ago, and right now the meeting is underway at the Raj Bhavan, and it is expected that he will be speaking about the ongoing developments, and he will be briefing the governor about the ongoing developments, and he will be informing the governor about what is expected next. So because already a decision has been taken by the High Command, today evening CLP is called, and in the CLP a decision will be taken by the Congress leadership, and at the same time both the leaders DK Shiv Kumar and Siddaramaiah, they have come up with their list, and already the lists have been submitted to the High Command, and today after the CLP both the leaders are expected to head back to Delhi, and they will be meeting the top leaders there is what we are given to understand. And as soon as possible, after the official decision is taken at the CLP, and a letter will be submitted to the governor, a letter of support from the MLAs, Congress MLAs, because they are confident in getting this letter of support from the 135 MLAs and 2 independents. So total 137 is the exact figure Congress is having now, and those letters of support will be submitted to the governor after the CLP meet, and after a decision is taken, and then the oath-taking ceremony will take place, and it is the moment right now we can clearly see DK is leaving. Vijay is showing the shot. See, that is DK's car, and DK is just leaving from the governor's office. So the meeting is concluded with the governor, and this is a courtesy meeting and a very key meeting, important meeting, because especially for DK Shiv Kumar. So right now we can clearly see visuals of DK's cavalcade leaving from the governor's office, Raj Bhavan. From here in the Bangalore, so he will be heading back to his residence is what we are given to understand. Just now we have saw our Vijay has given these shots from this place, and Dilip was showing how just the DK leaving from the governor's office.
All right. So staying with those live pictures that are coming in, DK Shiv Kumar now He's left the Lok Bhavan after meeting the governor there. A courtesy visit, if we can say, as far as when it comes to the probability that is now being looked upon the CLP, because Somit has been merely called to be as a formality meeting that would be taking place. Of course, there is representation also coming in from the Delhi High Command. So what is being said that KC Venugopal and Randeep Singh Surjewala are also expected to be present for this meeting. Meanwhile, this meeting with the governor has now ended. And of course, when it comes to a Congress delegation, there is also being meeting the governor. That is also going to happen. So all eyes will be on the CLP, which is the Congress Legislature Party meeting that is slated for around 4 p.m. this evening. Meanwhile, when we talk about this major political churn that has been happening in the middle of the term of Karnataka Congress, Siddaramaiah, who submitted his resignation to the governor's office, and now Karnataka is set for the elevation of its deputy chief minister to the chief minister's position, that is of DK Shiv Kumar. Now, this development has marked the beginning of a new chapter in Karnataka politics, with power equations that are now rapidly evolving within the Congress. All eyes now on the Congress Legislature Party meeting that is scheduled for later today, where the MLAs are expected to formally endorse the leadership transition. And this is now coming across as a big development. As you can see that DK Shiv Kumar has just left from the Lok Bhavan.